Thank you for joining Wars of the Roses. And this is Geometry from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Geometry. In the modern rituals, geometry is said to be the basis on which the superstructure of Masonry is erected. And in the old constitutions of the Mediaeval Freemasons of England, the most prominent place of all the sciences is given to geometry, which is made synonymous with Masonry. Thus, in the Regius manuscript, which dates no later than the latter part of the 14th century, the constitutions of Masonry are called the Constitutions of the Art of Geometry according to Euclid. The words geometry and masonry being used indifferently throughout the document. And in the Harleian number 2054 manuscript, it is said, "Thus the craft geometry was governed there, and that worthy master, Euclid, gave it the name of geometry, and it is called masonry in this land long after." In another part of the same manuscript, it is thus defined: "The fifth science is called geometry, and it teaches a man to mete and measure of the earth and other things, which science is masonry." The Egyptians were undoubtedly one of the first nations who cultivated geometry as a science. It was not less useful and necessary to them to learn, as Gaudet observes, in the affairs of life, than agreeable to their speculative philosophic genius. From Egypt, which was the parent both of the sciences and the mysteries of the pagan world, it passed over into other countries, and geometry and operative masonry have ever been found together, the latter carrying into execution those designs which were first traced according to the principles of the former. Speculative masonry is, in like manner, intimately connected with geometry, in deference to our operative ancestors, and, in fact, as a necessary result of our close connection with them. Speculative Freemasonry derives its most important symbols from this parent science. Hence, it is not strange that Euclid, the most famous of geometricians, should be spoken of in all the old records as a founder of Masonry in Egypt, and that a special legend should have been invented in honor of his memory. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Roses. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.